But as we settle in to this present moment, which is indeed a gift, I would like to say again, radiant rising to the beautiful Zoom room, to the worldwide world who will catch this later on YouTube, the WHIRL, to the WORLD as we continue to whirl and swirl in this powerful transformative energy taking place right now. I am just so happy that we have joined together for this moment. If you've just found me, that you discovered the channel and clicked on the link, and for just these next few moments we can all be in sync. We can collect our consciousness to bring about powerful change, just as our collective consciousness is used to create that which we don't want through ignorance. Our collective consciousness is now being used to create that which we do desire, and that which is aligned with the season, with the times that we're in. And one of the first and best ways that we can align with this positive, powerful energy is simply through the breath. The breath is our connection to the Most High. It is literally the divine, every inhale and every exhale. So we're going to invite that power of the divine and all that is in the mitochondrial connections as we get settled into our seats, or if we're laying down, as we get comfortable, get in a comfortable position to take these intentional breaths. And today, family, in this energy of independence and celebration and fireworks and such, I would like us to focus on the fireworks within, on our inner light, on the explosions that are taking place within us, and to imagine those explosions celebrating our sovereignty. As we breathe in that sovereignty. We breathe in that power. We breathe in the energy of the sun, and we see ourselves free. We feel our minds, our bodies, our emotions, our spirit. We feel it free. We feel it vibrating at that sovereign vibration. And as we exhale, we release any chain that continues to bind us to that which is not beneficial, that binds us to the matrix, that binds us to false beliefs, to old doctrines and paradigms. We release, and we see that chain. We literally see that energetic chain break. Okay, that's what we're going to envision the freedom as we inhale, and as we exhale, we're going to see with our first eye any chain that no longer benefits our ascension, our elevation. We are going to see it broken in this moment. It's a 4-8 recalibrate. 8 counts in, holding for 8 counts, releasing to the 8 count, a very slow, intentional release, watching those chains break off the brain. The chains from the brain break, that Freudian slip. Thank you, Spirit. We're going to break the chains from the brains, okay? And then hold for 8 seconds. Just making sure our body is relaxed. And just taking a moment to just sit in gratitude for being here, for being able to breathe. Not taking the breath for granted, and all of the areas of our body that's used to make up that single breath, the lungs, and everything else that is entailed. And with that, we breathe in. 2, 4. Breathe in and hold. And release. 3, 5, 7, and hold. That which no longer serves goes into the ground to be transmuted. Breathe in deeply. Fill your lungs and hold. If you can breathe in a little more air, breathe it in. Breathe it in and release. 3, 5, 7, and hold. Woo. And breathe in. 3, 5. Take in more. See your sovereignty and hold. Hold that freedom. Hold that spirit of evolution and release. Breaking the chains, and hold. Sit in that sovereignty. Last time, breathe in. 3, 5, 7, and hold. 3, 5, 7, and release. Let it all go. Let it all go. And hold. Any tension that you still see in your body, as we take this time to shake the body out, paying attention to the body, where there is stress, where muscles are tense. We might want to even roll our necks around just a little bit, allowing any energy that was blocked to go ahead and transmute out of the body. Thanking, giving thanks for our freedom, giving thanks for our sovereignty, giving thanks for our independence in this moment. Simply to breathe. This is a powerful moment in our story, which is why in his story, we are encouraged to look away and celebrate something outside of ourselves. Be distracted by a false narrative created outside of ourselves, rather than take these holy days that we're in right now under their original intention. Oh, we're going to get into it today. As B-Dell 1014 said, we're going there today. Let's get serious about driving the vibe of this portal. Our first eye thrives alive beyond this mere mortal. We are eternity itself. The always was, is, and is to come forever. Flowing in and on the cosmic rays of always and never. We honor this Sirius alignment with melanated divinement, and play music and be notes and tones and frequencies and vibrations through cosmic energies, telepathic stations, and mitochondrial nations. We be vibing. Yeah, that's what we're doing right now, y'all. We be vibing to this energy that is coming through in this very moment. Let's get serious about it. Let's get serious about driving the vibe of this portal. Our first eye thrives alive beyond the mere mortal. We are eternity itself. The always was, is, and is to come forever. Flowing in and on the cosmic rays of always and never. We honor Sirius alignment with melanated divinement and play music and be notes and tones and frequencies and vibrations through cosmic energetic telepathic stations and mitochondrial nations. We be vibing. We're going to go there with the reawakening of our first eye. Some refer to it as the third eye. That is the gateway into understanding all that we're going to dive into, and to help us open that gateway, it is none other than our melanated meditation brother, Yogi G, here to take us deeper in
Grand Rise.
ourselves. Yes, Radiant Rising, brother. Grand Rising.
All right. Now, let's take this moment and, as Sister Lovely said, we're going to open our third eye, inviting this light in. So with this guided meditation, this connects us with the sun's energy, with our third eye, awakening clarity, insight, and illuminations from within. So as we always do, find your comfortable seating, or if you're lying down, lie down with your spine relaxed, and just gently close our eyes and begin to draw your awareness inward. Let's take a deep breath in through our nose and exhale through our mouth. Let go of the outside world. This is your time to connect with your inner light and the sacred light of the sun. Let's breathe deeply in one more time. And exhale. And as we inhale the golden light through the crown of our head. And then exhale and feel the light spreading down into your body. With each breath, become more present, more aligned. Feel the warmth of the sun above you, either in your imagination or if you're outside, let it kiss your skin. Now visualize this radiant sun above your head, glowing like a celestial fire, endless in the energy and love. Now, imagine your breath as the bridge between the sun and your body. Inhale the sunlight. Exhale peace. Inhale radiance. Exhale tension. Bring awareness to the center of your forehead, the space between your eyebrows. This is your third eye chakra, the gateway to intuition, vision, and inner wisdom. Now gently imagine a sphere of indigo blue light glowing at this point. See it spinning slowly, radiating calm energy. As you inhale, visualize a beam of sunlight streaming down into your third eye. This solar light begins to awaken your inner vision, burning away confusion, doubt, and illusion. And with each breath, the indigo light grows brighter, infusing with golden solar code of truth. Feel this fusion of sun and third eye energy. The sun gives light to the world. Your third eye gives light to your inner world. Now repeat silently or out loud. I see with clarity and truth. The light of the sun awakens my inner wisdom. My vision is clear. My intuition is strong. Visualize the sun and your third eye as one, radiating a golden indigo light outward, illuminating your path with insight and purpose. Feel your intuition sharpening, your awareness expanding. Now allow your images to gently fade as you rest in stillness. Let the energy settle. Know that your third eye is activated. Your light is turned on. And your truth is accessible at any time. Just breathe softly and naturally. Feel your body grounded, your mind clear, your spirit open. Now, gently bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. roll your shoulders if that feels good. And when you're ready, softly, slowly open your eyes. Carry this solar vision with you throughout your day. Let your inner light lead you. May your third eye remain ever bright. Namaste, radiant ones.